Hello and welcome to your English class with me, teacher Tami Valença. In today's class, we're gonna explore the past continuous. Welcome to part 1, Introduction to Past Continuous. The objective of this lesson is make you understand the structure of past continuous tense. Also, recognize key time markers associated with the past continuous. I would like to introduce the keywords and also the vocabulary. In the past continuous tense, we always use was and were plus verb plus ing. For example, running, eating, sleeping. When to use was and when to use were. We use was for I, he, she, and it. And we use were for you, we, and they. I was, he was, she was, it was. You were, we were, they were. The time markers are while and when, also at that moment. While and when are more commonly used when we see sentences in the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that were ongoing, that were happening at a specific moment in the past. So, in other words, the action was in progress at a certain time, a certain moment in the past. Structure, subject, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they, plus was or were, plus verb, plus ing. Let's take a look at the examples. I was reading a book at 5 p.m. Repeat. Good. They were playing football when it started to rain. As you can see here, they were playing football when. Then we see a sentence in the past simple tense. It started to rain. So when we use time markers such as while or when, we generally have to use a sentence in the simple past tense when it started to rain. Let me give you another example. I was working here when somebody knocked on the door. I was working here. This action was in progress at the past when somebody knocked on the door. This second second sentence is in the simple past tense to indicate that my action was interrupted. Let's take a look at this activity. Complete the sentences using the past continuous form. So you can pause this video for a moment and try to do it by yourself. Let's take a look at the sentences and correct them. She, the verb is cook, when the phone rang. Tring, tring, tring. So here, the ongoing action was the cooking. So we say she was cooking. She was cooking. when the phone rang. She was cooking when the phone rang. Repeat, please. She was cooking when the phone rang. So what was the interrupted action? The cooking one. And what happened to interrupt this action, this ongoing action? The phone rang. The verb is watch TV at 8 p.m. We were watching. We were watching TV at 8 p.m. Here in this sentence, we were watching TV at 8 p.m. The action was happening at a certain moment in the past. The action was in progress at a certain moment in the past. Identify the time markers in the following sentences. I was sleeping when you called. If you said that when is the time marker, you're correct. When. They were studying while we were chatting. The time marker here is while. When and while are very important words to use in the past continuous tense because they indicate your action was interrupted by another action in the past. Thanks for watching. See you next time.